Hey machine fans, welcome back to TT Machine Power. Today we're unleashing the beasts of the forest. Cutting-edge forestry equipment that'll blow your mind. From super-powered harvesters to game-changing tech, we're bringing you the best in the business. Love heavy machinery? Smash that like button and subscribe for more epic content. Let's fire these giants up and see what they can do. Behold the Tiger Cat X822-D Feller Buncher, a mechanical titan carving its way through the untamed forests. Armed with the fearsome Tiger Cat 5702 hot saw, this unstoppable beast fells towering hardwoods and softwoods with ease, dominating the rugged landscape. It moves with raw power and precision, leaving no tree too mighty, no task too great. A marvel of modern engineering, it conquers the wilderness, one colossal trunk at a time. Before my eyes is the majestic sight of the 330 excavator, equipped with a large hook with sharp serrated teeth, tearing apart a massive tree stump. With unparalleled strength, the hook plunges down, digging deep into the trunk and slicing it into pieces with ease. Each time the hook passes through, the wood splinters as if it were nothing more than small, helpless fragments before the machine's brutality. The sound of cracking wood echoes through the air, blending with the powerful roar of the engine, creating a symphony of strength and destruction, a scene both wild and mesmerizing. The Lumberjack 450 is not just a tool, it's a breakthrough in timber harvesting. Thanks to its perfect integration with the crane's movements, you can effortlessly rotate trees 360 degrees with precision. The smartly concealed cutting blade, hidden behind the machine arm, makes sorting and processing wood easier than ever. With the ability to cut trunks up to 45 centimeters wide, the Lumberjack 450 is truly a giant in the field. Designed specifically for machines over 30 tons, it boasts exceptional strength and durability. This is the tool that will revolutionize the entire logging industry, taking it to a new level of power and efficiency. Johnson Mill stands as a shining example of innovation in lumber production. Their state-of-the-art automation transforms every phase, from the moment logs arrive to the creation of the final product, into a seamless flow of efficiency. Each step is fine-tuned to minimize waste and maximize output, driving productivity to new heights. But it's not just about speed. This level of precision guarantees unwavering quality in every piece of lumber, setting a gold standard for modern sawmills across the globe. Take a look at the specs on the Valmet 921, an absolute beast powered by a Cummins engine, delivering 21.5 tons of raw harvesting power. This isn't your grandpa's old-school logging gear. It's a machine with brains, packed with smart controls that optimize efficiency while minimizing its environmental footprint. Built for maximum performance, the Valmet 921 proves that power and sustainability can go hand in hand. Beneath its unassuming exterior lies the 630 horsepower monster known as the Molker Owie RT800. With a thunderous roar, the RT800 lunges into action, tearing stumps apart with ferocious intensity. In an instant, it transforms solid wood into a swirling cloud of dust and a mountain of wood chips, showcasing its sheer power and efficiency. Forget Jurassic Park. This mobile debarker is the real dinosaur attraction. It resembles a prehistoric beast, voraciously chomping through logs with a ferocious appetite. But unlike its long-gone ancestors, this incredible machine is here to revolutionize the forestry industry with its sheer power and prowess. Who knew that debarking could be so mesmerizing? This machine is a true spectacle, showcasing the brilliance of human ingenuity and the might of engineering, turning what was once a mundane task into a thrilling display of strength and innovation. Watch the Tiger Cat 1075C forwarder in action in Sweden, showcasing its raw power and precision. This 20-ton extreme-duty machine is built to handle the toughest terrains, delivering high production even in the most challenging environments. With every load it hauls, the 1075C proves why it's a top choice for forestry operations that demand reliability, strength, and efficiency. Hauling these massive tremissus trees isn't a job for the faint of heart. It takes a driver with years of experience, a steady hand, and a whole lot of know-how to wrangle those enormous trunks through tight spaces while keeping them perfectly balanced. Every move requires precision and grit. It's a tough job, no doubt about it, but someone's got to do it, and only the best can handle the challenge. The Caterpillar D8T bulldozer roars powerfully, its tracks rolling steadily as it pushes a massive boulder ahead. Each push is a bold statement of the machine's absolute strength. Without hesitation, the D8T powers through rough terrain, turning heavy rocks into mere obstacles. This isn't just mechanical force. It's the perfect blend of technology and the ability to conquer the toughest challenges. These V8-powered hot saws aren't just chainsaws. They're mechanical monsters unleashed on timber. Watching a 30-inch log disintegrate in under 2 seconds is a raw display of pure, unadulterated power. It's more than just cutting wood. It's a force of nature tearing through the forest with relentless efficiency. The Carlton 7015 TRX stump grinder is absolutely insane. It's like a beast unleashed, ripping through the stump as if it were nothing. Its teeth chomp relentlessly, turning solid wood into a flurry of confetti in seconds. You're not just grinding a stump, you're crafting a masterpiece of destruction. This machine is pure adrenaline in motion, a thrilling display of raw power and precision. Holy smokes, the Dipper Fox Stump Crusher 850 Pro is an absolute beast. This machine isn't just grinding stumps, it's obliterating them with surgical precision. As an excavator attachment, it's a total game changer, turning the back-breaking chore of stump removal into a high-speed spectacle. With its patented gear-changing mechanism and lightning-fast performance, it's no surprise they call it the most efficient stump removal tool in the world. It's not just powerful, it's revolutionary. The John Deere 959M Feller Buncher Showdown showcases the machine's exceptional capabilities and the operator's mastery. The controlled felling technique reveals a profound understanding of both the equipment and the delicate balance needed to protect the timber. It's a testament to the precision and power of the 959M, as well as the skill and dedication of the operators behind the controls. This performance highlights the synergy between advanced machinery and expert craftsmanship, raising the bar for forestry operations. This is how land clearing gets done, folks. A bulldozer paired with an anchor chain makes short work of even the thickest vegetation. It's far quicker than using hand tools and, best of all, it's safer for everyone involved. With this setup, you're not just clearing land. You're doing it with maximum efficiency and minimal effort. The MB-R900 drum cutter is a powerhouse, perfect for any job that requires cutting or grinding through tough materials. Whether it's concrete wall profiling, trenching, rock excavation, demolition, or dredging, this drum cutter excels. It's especially suited for work in urban areas and restricted job sites where precision is key. No matter the challenge, the MB-R900 is built to tackle it with ease and efficiency. The Grizzly M500E is an absolute brute. It handles anything you throw at it. Thick trees, tough brush, you name it, it devours it all. Its compact design is perfect for navigating tight spaces, while the heavy-duty housing ensures durability for the long haul. At $32,500, it's the ultimate weapon for forestry work, combining power, precision, and ruggedness in one unbeatable machine.